y'all, it's Taren. Welcome back to my channel. Let's go shopping inside Walmart. I feel like the last several Walmart hauls that we've done, I've ordered from the app. So let's do a little inside shopping. To be fair, I did come in store. I've been to a few stores in my town to see which one had the best inventory. This one, we call it the big Walmart if you live in Mobile. I'm at the big Walmart. This store has a larger plus size section than most of the other stores in my little experience anyways in town. But also I've been on TikTok looking and just on the app and Instagram and like the website and all that kind of stuff. And I saw a couple of really cute blue with black polka dot, like a long sleeve cardigan. I'll put it here, a long sleeve cardigan. And then it also came in a short sleeve version. This same creator also shared a chambray or denim type dress with, I think they're black embroidered hearts on it. Now, to be fair, I'm pretty sure she is not plus size, so they may not have that in my size. However, the blue and black polka dot things, I've seen them here. I will do my very best to link everything in the description box down below for you. My measurements are there as well. Let's go do a little shopping. Oh, also don't let me forget, I love the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. I like the matte one specifically, but the color I have is a little bit dark. I do own some dewy versions and I'm wearing that today, and I've realized that I really do like the matte version, so we're gonna grab one of those too. I'm telling you so you don't let me forget. So the matte I own is Buff Bisque, so I need one a little bit lighter than that. Oh, that says dewy. Okay, I think this is the matte. $5.47. Soft ivory, porcelain, Buff Bisque. Oh, here's one in the middle. On the right, my right anyways, is soft beige. Buff Bisque, again, this is the one that I already own. I don't know if they're different enough. I think I'm gonna get soft beige. Thank you for reminding me. This Walmart like sectioned off the makeup and they have a little checkout, like your own little checkout. But this is what it looks like. You have to go in this section to get to the makeup. I have never seen a lemon scented anything from Dr. Teal's. Usually it's the lavender that people go for. And this is a sugar scrub. I have tons of scrubs at home. I like the Tree Hut ones. If you've used that, let me know if it's good. Oh, they have several scents. Shea butter and almond oil. Eucalyptus and spearmint. Oh, I bet that one's good. Lavender is always good. Ginseng, ginger, calm and serenity rose. Okay, they have a ton of them. Also, I wanted to see if this Walmart had the new Tree Hut packaging. I don't think that they do. But if you are ever looking for yourself or for a gift and you want to do Tree Hut, I don't see it here, but the Ocean Glow everything is the best scent ever. I already see the polka dot things over here. This is gonna be good, y'all. That is a super cute little outfit rolled with the white sneakers. This is a sweater. Love that. This is also really cute. I hope, I see that dress too. Little matching sets, Free Assembly, and what is the other brand? Scoop. They used to not carry them in store, and now they do. I wish this had a matching hoodie like the green one because I would go for this. But maybe we try these on. This is a 2XL. Extra large. We'll grab the pants because they match. We'll take the same size, but again, I want that. I just noticed that this tank top may match exactly. Does it? Also Free Assembly brand. Okay, a whole little set. These are $7. We'll take that. I do want to try these because I'm here and I like them, and I might be able to find the hoodie online. These look like a cropped sweatpant. So Free Assembly, they do go up to, I think extra large is the largest size. They have a button up too. Okay, I'm getting distracted. Yes, we'll take this. And we'll also take the red one. Yep, and then I think I see one red striped cardigan in my size. I like this too, Free Assembly brand. So they have a wider white with a stripe and then the tinier stripes here. All these different colors. I think I'm gonna take one of these. I couldn't find the navy with the little white stripe on the sleeves, but we are gonna pull this one. And then behind it, I saw this neon like green yellow. So cute. Also pulled this because, again, so cute. Moment of Truth jeans. I see a 12 and a 16. Though these are not like actual plus size, but we're gonna take them because I feel like that's the closest we're gonna get. I don't know if they carry anything higher in Free Assembly in store. I'm about to just refurbish my wardrobe with Free Assembly because all of this is so cute. Wait, before I move on, I'm seeing this green skirt, like a maxi length, looks like elastic in the back, maybe more midi. This green polo button-up sweater shirt, but also in navy too. So I feel like you could go either way with the shirts if you wanted to do the skirt. Also, if you didn't want green, they've got this black and white like gingham print. A dark wash jean. I'm passing all this up. These are on sale for $8. They do have a 16. Again, I don't know if this is gonna work. Mid-rise barrel ankle jean. I mean, while we're here, this store also has a Sofia section. Wait, We almost passed up Scoop. This is adorable. Oh, it ties in the front. Okay, that's cute. I'm pulling a couple pair of Sofia jeans. We're gonna do the Melissa flare high rise, and then I also have a Margot wide leg. A few Jessica Simpson finds, this crochet pullover, these like Henley style with the lace cami underneath. So not much Jessica Simpson. Look, they have this dress on a mannequin, which again, I did pull. I have so much stuff in this buggy. I've seen people pull a butter yellow matching set. I'm pretty sure it's No Boundaries, and No Boundaries is their kind of juniors line. So, oh, I see butter yellow. I'm distracted because what are these? That's fun, Time and True. Let's see what sizes. I see an 18. Oh, it's not the ones that I want. Those are adorable though. Actually, that's the only pair that I see. None of these behind it are this jean. What is that butter yellow? Time and Truth, relaxed fit. Oh, I think it's a sweatshirt. Oh, I just see up to a size large. Let's look on this side. Yeah, just up to a large. I love this color yellow. Yellow is my favorite color. Spoiler, but I feel like that's not really a spoiler because we all know that. How pretty is that pink floral matching set? Pulling both of these in a size extra large. Fingers crossed it works because this is really pretty. Though to be fair, close up, it's kind of camo. You know what I mean? Or like, not really camo, but what you would see on a camo print, like the branches, like the trees and the leaves versus a floral. So I think it's a pink camo. Also no pants to go with the butter yellow hoodie, though I like the sweatshirt better. Hold on. I found the butter yellow pants. Oh, you can get a little Henley top to go with it. I see extra large. It looks like they do go up to extra, extra large because I see it in the blue, but I don't see it in the yellow. I love that color. Y'all, the fitting rooms are closed. It says 12 o'clock. I just asked and there's no one here with the key. Like they're closed, so there's no one here to open them. She said there's no one working in this section. What do we do? Do we get it all and take it home and try it on? Update, customer service says fitting rooms open at 10, so that's like 20 minutes away. So we're just gonna stay here. I'm looking in the Reebok section. I'm pretty sure I own this exact hoodie in the gray and I love it. And this green color, I hope it's coming off on camera. Such a beautiful color. I wish they had the matching shorts for it. I see pants over here, but they don't look like they're quite the same color. I like that too. It's like mock neck style hoodie, or no, sweatshirt. This one has matching bottoms and this one zips on the side. So if you wanted to have that like open style on the sides, you could. It's a mock neck. And here's the matching pants. I was gonna say joggers, but they're straight leg pants. I think I'm gonna grab this t-shirt to work out in. I don't see a price on it anywhere. I don't know if Walmart does price checks either. I bet it's underneath this white part right there, but I really like this color. I totally missed this whole plus size section. This is all Terra and Sky here and Terra and Sky here. Those dresses are pretty. Also a white floral version in the back, a little ruffle sleeve top. These are more dresses over here, I think. Well, dresses and a few tops. They have jeans as well. Oh, like a burgundy skinny jean. Black, dark wash, light wash, like a creamy white color. They sell Lee Jeans brand plus size things. This is in a size 4X. It's like a thicker, not quite sweatshirt, but not quite t-shirt material. Look at this Yeehaw sweatshirt from Terra and Sky. Oh, I like this. Again, Terra and Sky brand. This white almost looks like a linen style top. Let's see what it actually is while we're killing time, you know? 100% cotton. That is so cute. Okay, we're gonna grab one of these, maybe in a 1X. Could be cute with some of the jeans I have. I think these Avia shoes are so cute with the green on them. Also comes in tan, but for some reason this green color is so pretty. Also, I'm just seeing genuine leather, $22.98. But look how cute that is. They also have blue and then this pink and purple color. I think I'm gonna buy these too. I think they're $6.97. There's no price on the back, but I'm pretty sure that's what the little hanging tag said. But look how pretty those are. Okay, I'm in. I feel like because there's so much stuff, I've been picking up stuff too. As I've been walking around, let's start with these dresses and then I can get rid of some stuff in here, like put this back in my buggy to put away. And then, oh, this is a dress too. And then we'll move on to jeans, matching sets. Okay, anyway, here we go. Okay, I wasn't sure how I would feel about this with the drop waist style in the front, but I love this color. It does have pockets. It's like a maxi, a little bit longer than midi length on me. This is in a size extra, extra large. It is very snug, but also I think it's meant to be fitted. Look how cute that is. I did bring the striped cardigan too, so I'll put that on in a second. I do think it's a little bit tight. There is some smocking in the back and it zips, but I was able to just slip it on over my head. So this color, love the style. or the style I love. The fit I think is a little bit off. Just as adorable as I thought it would be. This is so cute with the little cardigan. Here's what it looks like with the cardigan on, but buttoned. I think this is so cute. It makes it look like a skirt. I just unbuttoned this top button here. I love the cardigan. I'm gonna pass on the dress, but this style cardigan, this like thinner material, button it all the way up if you want to, I really love. Also free assembly in a size extra, extra large. It definitely is a chambray material with black. No, I think they're navy hearts embroidered. This one I think again is too small, but there are pockets. It's kind of the same fit as the red one, though I feel like the red one has that detail that kind of V's. This one has no smocking in the back, but it does zip. But I was also able to just put this one over my head. This one's a little bit shorter, more like midi length. No, I really thought this one was gonna be perfect. It's too tight in the stomach and hip area. The pockets are puckering out, but look how pretty the print is. The navy blue with the pop of white. I love the puff sleeve elastic 3/4. I love the sweetheart neckline. It is more fitted here and then flows out, though it doesn't really start to flow out until I would say like lower hip area, midi length. Yeah, I just thought this was gonna be, I don't love that how that's stitched right there, or how the polka dots line up, but I just really thought this was gonna be a win. Like how cute for summer with sandals. Scoop brand dress in a size extra large. I do feel like it's a little bit short. Like it's a mini dress. I like the elastic waist, and then the necktie I think is so cute. Did I say it has pockets? So it's an overall here. There you go. Overall, very cute dress. I feel like this is a nicer feeling dress. Like you would dress this one up a little bit, whereas the other ones I tried I feel like could be super cute with sandals. This one's a little bit dressier. My only problem is I think it's a little bit short. I love this outfit. Taren sky top. Remember, I think I grabbed it in a size 1X. I love this. It's giving like Free People vibes, maybe Old Navy vibes. It is see-through. You can see the bra, you can see the skin, you can see the jeans, but if you wear a cami underneath, I'm obsessed. These are the Margot wide leg Sofia jeans in a size 18. I like them. I'm just getting some like extra room in the back. I also feel like they're a little bit tight in the stomach, but the length is good. So disregard the jeans because this, I'm getting this for sure. I think this is so cute. Unfortunately, these did not work, so I'm not gonna try the other free assembly ones I pulled because they're both in the same size. A moment for these though, because they could have been really cute with the polka dot sweater top. This is that free assembly set. It's not the same color, and I didn't realize that when I pulled it. So these cropped sweatpants, drawstring waist with pockets. I like these though. Again, I think I'm gonna like the navy with the floral print on them better. This is a cropped sort of batwing-ish, like boxy style pullover hoodie. Let me put this shirt on that I pulled. It matches the hoodie a little bit better. I mean, it doesn't match, but this style top came in several different colors if you're just looking for a haltery looking tank. I do like these though. They're very comfortable. I knew I would like this print better. It's definitely a pink camo print. So both pieces are in a size extra large. I need to size up in the bottoms. I like the size and style of the hoodie. I noticed there's pockets as well. It is cropped, but it's a fitted crop here. As I'm wearing it now, I don't even know if the extra, extra large would work in the bottoms. I guess we'll find out fit-wise because I think these, oh no, these are an extra large. I like the top. I mean, like as a lounge set. I love the yellow color, the little lace detail around the neck with the button, size extra, extra large. Bottoms are in a size extra large. They have a little loop tie to cinch in with pockets. The length is pretty good too. No Boundaries again is a juniors plus line, so the fit's a little bit off, but just to wear around the house I think is very cute and cozy. I just put my bottoms back on for the rest of the tops because again most of the jeans didn't work. Free assembly brand in a size extra, extra large. It is like a slightly cropped boxy style. I love this. The stripe with the navy blue around the neck. Like I think this is cute with pants like this. I would wear it with linen shorts. I would wear it with blue jean shorts. This doesn't have a price on it either, but I do like this top. The piece that got me here, or the print that got me here. Free assembly brand. I'm pretty sure a size extra, extra large. This is the softest sweater material. I would say it's like a slightly cropped, more fitted style, but this is so cute. I think that I would like the cardigan better in this. So unfortunately we're passing, but I will keep my eye out for the cardigan in my size. And here it is in this neon yellow green color. I like this one too. I just think I like this print a lot better. But if you're looking for something to transition, I think from cooler weather to warmer weather, and it's like slightly cool, so you want some sort of sweater feel, I think that this could be cute. I want a top in this color, like a summery beachy style top, because I love it. And that commences our haul. How many pieces did I try on? 27? I don't know. I feel like I tried on everything in this store. Here's what I'm getting. The cardigan. Well, I need to price check because these don't have prices on them, but I love the cardigan. I love this Terra and Sky top, and then I liked this striped free assembly top. I just spilled my water all over me, so disregard that. I did buy everything. At this point, you've already seen the total prices. I didn't know them until I got to the register. I did buy that Reebok hunter green, tealish green colored t-shirt. It was $14. Yes, $14. Earrings were $6.92. Makeup was $5.47. I did buy a pack of socks because I feel like all of my socks, they're just like, I've had them for a long time. So I got a pair of black, like a 10 pack Avia brand performance cushion socks for $9.97. I feel like that's a good deal for 10 pairs of socks. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, thumbs up, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and listening to me ramble while I waited for the fitting rooms to open. The customer service said 10 a.m. so I was back over there at like 10:10, because you know you got to give people time to like get into work and clock in and like get over there and all that kind of stuff. And it was the same girl that was walking around, and she was like, oh, did you need a fitting room? I was like, thanks, girl. Thank you for watching. Again, I will do my very best to link everything in the description box down below, and I will see you in my next one. Goodbye.